Thanks, Bumble. Heaved away. All the way. Well, 6 then. And India are well placed here to push on. And Raina looks at 19 from 10. He's joined by his captain, 8 from 12.
Well, this is one of the reasons why so many coaches and the team management of India rate Suresh Raina so highly. Disregard his test match performances.
Whipped away and whipped fine and whipped big.
The score is looking good at the moment. 242 for 4. We're in the 45th over. It's the batting power play. And this guy is dangerous. Good pick-up shot that. Look at the distance.
Over the offside, you're not stopping that. That is an unbelievable shot. Over cover point for 6, brilliant.
Boy, this is incredible hitting. Just have a look at this shot. Keeping it wide away from the left-hander, trying to prevent him from playing on the leg side, but he's got under the ball, and what really strikes you again and leaves you amazed is the distances that he gets. Not only is it strength, finds the middle of the bat, got a wonderful sense of timing as well. Tremendous shot.
Well, that's dipping straight into the crowd.
I tell you what, the one that we saw on the right, the slow ball, could now become the stop ball. Because this is Suresh Raina, who has spotted the normal seam-up delivery, which comes at pace, and he's just launched into it. That's the kind of delivery that comes onto the bat. And look at the distance that he gets.
Not many better than him at hitting the length ball. In world cricket, you bowl length to him and you'll get...
Well, he's underneath that, and he's certainly got enough of that one. Well over the boundary's edge, over the fence as well. And that one's gone plenty far enough for 6. 137 for 3.
In the meanwhile, just let's watch the Suresh Raina's mighty hit over long on. No surprise to who have watched Suresh Raina in the past. This is his great strength. Under pressure to...
Whooey, that's big as well. Into the grandstand goes another one from the bat of Suresh Raina. This is brilliant assault. And Stuart Broad, well, whether he was trying to bowl the slower ball there, whether he was trying to mix up his lengths, but it's not doing any good. Wow, that's massive. That's way into the top row of the grandstand with just a little flick of the wrists. And I was saying Anderson doesn't particularly like this job, and you can see why. 50 to Suresh Raina. It was a slow start, but it's got pretty pulsating towards the end.
He is just brilliant. Hello. Well, that's what he's good at. I was just saying a moment ago, he hits it fantastically, like Yuvraj Singh.
There he goes, straight away down the ground. It's a lovely shot. It's straight into the side screen.
Well, we've said all the way through the day that the shorter boundaries are the straight ones. You want to clear the boundary, go straight. And for Raina here, got just the right length to do that. Pretty much the right line from Bresnan as well.